Hi friends, it's Conductor Jack. Guess what? Today is an exciting day because I have my ukulele and I have a special book. Get ready for school with Elmo from Sesame Street and Miss Rachel. We're going to need the ukulele because they're singing in this book. Let's open this together and go on a great adventure with Miss Rachel and with Elmo. Here we go, friends. Hi, friends. Let's help Elmo get ready for school. We need to wake him up. Zzz, he's sleeping. On the count of 3, let's say, wake up, Elmo. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Elmo. Hi, Elmo. Good morning. It's time for school. Let's show him the way to get ready. First, we get dressed. We're going to sing this part. This is the way that we get dressed. We get dressed. We get dressed. This is the way that we get dressed before we go to school. Next, we eat our breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. This is the way we eat our breakfast. Eat our breakfast. Eat our breakfast. This is the way we eat our breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, don't forget to brush your teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush, 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 brush. Oh, Miss Rachel, you missed a spot. Oh, here we go. This is a fun one. This is the way we pack our bag. Pack our bag. Pack our bag. This is the way we pack our bag before we go to school. What should we pack for Elmo? This is the way we go to school. Go to school. Go to school. This is the way we go to school. Beep, 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 beep. Let's wait for the bus. This is the way we give a hug. Give a hug. Give a hug. This is the way we say goodbye. I'll see you after school. Have a great day at school, Elmo. And you have a great day too. Bye. Oh, what a fun book. Elmo from Sesame Street, Miss Rachel, and our little ukulele. Oh, you know what? Ukulele is a really fun instrument. When I was a little boy, I started to learn how to play ukulele when I think I was about 6 or 7 years old when I first started to play guitar and then ukulele. It's a lot of fun making music. Do you like making music? Oh, good. Well, thank you so much for visiting with me on my ukulele, Miss Rachel, and little Elmo. Thank you again. We really appreciate you reading with us. You know, I post videos every single day of the week, so be sure to hit the subscribe button, and that way we can all stay friends. Have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye. Hey there, it's your old pal, Conductor Jack, and behind me I've got my magic green wall. Whenever you say the magic words, toot toot, Why, that wall will take us someplace incredible. Should we try it? On the count of 3, let's go toot toot and see where we'll travel to. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Toot toot! Hey, cool! It's a race car! Let's get buckled up and grab the steering wheel because we're going to drive like a race car. Can you drive like a race car? Can you drive like a race car? Drive like a race car, drive. Uh-oh, our race car is getting really slow. And now it's getting really fast. Ah! Oh, where are we? Hey, now we're up in the air. Cool. Here we go. Let's fly like airplanes. Here we go. Can you fly like a plane? Can you fly like a plane? Can you fly like a plane? Fly like a plane, fly like a plane. Can you fly like a plane? Hey, you know what? Plane rhymes with train. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga. Let's all chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga. Can you chugga chugga train? Can you chugga chugga train? Can you chugga chugga train? Chugga chugga train, chugga chugga train. Can you chugga chugga train? All right, let's go back to our race cars now and drive really fast. Here we go. All right, can you drive a race car? Can you drive a race car? Can you drive a race car? Drive a race car, drive a race car. Can you drive a race car? Hey, good job driving a race car, flying a plane, and chugging a train. Subscribe now. It's free.